Hey, to connect your HUAWEI Watch Fit SE with any Android phone, first of all, you have to power on your watch by using this side button. So you have to click and hold it and wait until screen turns on. When you have Huawei logo, you will have to release this button, and after this you will have the Harmony OS information, so that's the software that is on this watch, and after this we will be able to pick the language. So wait for this screen and now select language. In my case it will be English, and from here we've got information that we can scan the QR code to download the Health app on our phone. So it looks like this, that on your phone you will have to open the browser. I'm using the Google Chrome, and on the search pool you will have to type HUAWEI Health Application APK file. So we have to input this phrase and go for search. Now you will have to select APK Pure website, this one. Yeah, definitely. Let's go for the APK Pure website. That's the website that I can recommend you. And from here we have to download this HUAWEI application. So we have to click on this green button to download APK file. Now if you have here any permissions, just accept them, and from here click to download APK file on this green button. From here I can find some weird ad that I actually cannot turn off for some reason. So let's try to go back. Okay, and try to download one more time. And select to download APK one more time. Now it is downloading. So click here, tap on the details, and now you can actually follow this downloading process. It's also very important to get the APK file. If you got the APK file, you will be not able to download it. So be sure that you are downloading APK file. And after a few seconds, we can click right here. Now let's click install. And if you have here any notifications that, for example, you are installing this application from the unknown source, you will have to accept it and enable installation from the unknown source from your browser. Then you have to click open. And now you will have to click next, click agree, accept all of these permissions. And from here, we have to click on the devices and click to add device. Now accept permissions, and as you can see right here, we have our HUAWEI Watch Fit on the screen. So if for some reason your watch is not right here, just be sure that you turn on the Bluetooth and your phone is visible to other devices. So it will look like this. So there's the Bluetooth and it's turned on. So now you have to click link to add your watch into your phone, and from here we have to input our HUAWEI ID. So if you have HUAWEI account, all you have to do is just to input your email, login ID or phone number, and then password. If you don't have HUAWEI ID, you can register by going here. So you will have to input your country, region, then accept this and create a new account. But I already have account, so all I have to do, I will have to click right here and input mail, and from here input the password. If you want to see your password, just click on this icon and you can check it. So it will look like this. Take a look. So now I'm gonna input my password. And after this, we can move forward. Yeah, my password is correct, so I have to click login on this blue button. And now let's complete the verification by sliding this puzzle into the empty place. Now this verification code will be sent into my mail, so I have to click to get the code. And now as you can see, the verification code was sent into my email. So now I have to go into the Gmail, and from here I'm gonna switch actually into the correct email, tap on it, and here we've got the code. So we have to click and hold the finger, copy this code, Now go back into the application and input this code right here. Then we have to click OK. Now just wait. Right now both devices are going to be connected. Accept all of these permissions. Take a look for your watch. As you can see, we will get this notification. So we have to click on this button. Now it is actually pairing. So keep waiting and the pairing is successful. So on our phone, we have to also click pair. And you can enable automatic updates over the Wi-Fi and automatic install updates when the device is not in the use. So click continue. Now from here, you can enable some notifications. I'm gonna click done. Click continue, tap to enable notifications. Go back, select HUAWEI Health App. And if you've got this issue that there's restricted setting on your phone, you will have to go into the settings of your phone, then go to the apps, locate HUAWEI Health App, go into the permissions, click on the right upper corner, or maybe no, we have to go to the notifications. No, I'm not sure, but yeah, never mind. When you open this application, you have to click right here on the three dots and tap Allow Restricted Settings. Input your screen lock method, and now when you go back, you will be able to enable all the notifications. And as you can see, after this, we can click done, and it's actually finished. So right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Bye bye.